the world of concrete for 2024, and we're in the Milwaukee booth with Brandon, who's got a whole bunch of new innovations. So many innovations, he said this is going to be a feature-length film, so strap yourself in. Brandon, what do you got for us?
We got the world's first battery construction submersible pump. The MX FUEL 1 horsepower 2-inch submersible pump. This pump pumps anywhere with no generator. On your GC job sites, there's a lot of mobile pumping. You got to drag a generator around. Now with this solution, simple backpack, pick up the pump. Now you can go pump out puddles, forms, trenches, you name it. On top of that, saves time and pumps longer because we've got electronics. You can run this pump in high, get 20 minutes or over 2,000 gallons.
Wow.
Or tune it down to low. You're gonna extend your run time all the way up to 2 hours and over 5,000 gallons.
Wow.
We also have auto shutoff. This pump will automatically detect when the water goes below the impeller and it'll turn that pump off. Now you don't gotta worry about your pumps running dry and burning out. And then it'll detect when that water's back on and turn the pump back on again.
That's awesome. So it's a built-in fluid.
You got it, yep. It'll adapt to flow too. What I'm holding here is the remote for the 2-inch 1 horsepower submersible pump. The cool thing about this, not only can you turn the pump on and off remotely, but it provides the notifications to the user. It lets you know battery status, it'll alert you if there's low battery. If there's low water, it'll alert you, and it shows what mode it's pumping. Not only does it light up, it'll also vibrate. So you can put this in your pocket, walk away, and you'll be notified when the pump changes status or you need to go check on it.
Awesome. You're talking about 2,000 gallons in 20 minutes, and then 5,000 gallons in how many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours. Which battery are they doing that on?
That's with our XC6.0 battery. Okay. So if you upgrade to our HD12.0, those times will even double.
Okay. What is price point?
Yep. So this is gonna come fully kitted with an XC battery, our standard charger, the pump console, and the submersible pump for $24.99, and it'll be available in July of 2024.
Awesome.
I'm gonna pull the plate over.
Whoa.
And then we'll talk about both of them.
Nice. You're telling me that this battery operated.
Yep. Most productive. We have the fastest travel speed without sacrificing compaction. We are still delivering the same compaction that you'd expect from your competitive gasoline 70 kg rammers.
Wow. So when we're buying this, right, it's kitted with the forged lithium?
You got it. This will come kitted just like our plate compactor with 2 HD12.0 batteries. Those are the largest, most powerful batteries we make, as well as our supercharger.
What if I had some non-forged batteries? Can I run my rammer on that?
Absolutely. You're just gonna see less run time, right?
So less run time.
Yep. So this is our HD12.0 compared to a 6.0. You should expect your run time to essentially half.
Okay.
Yep. But the point is, in the event that you're in a pinch, you need to finish up a job and you've got an XC6.0 sitting there, you can pick that up, slide it in, and finish out your job.
That's great. We won't see it, like there's no, so I'm saying, like, there's no reason not to run those batteries. There's no loss in performance. It's just a runtime thing.
Yep, that's correct.
All right, cool. Can I give her a test run?
Yeah, you bet.
I'm going to put it on.
Yep. This is an incredibly balanced tool.
I'll say.
So much that if I get it running on flat ground, we also have tip detect, which is a pretty cool safety feature. It'll automatically shut off if you lose control of the tool.
That is cool. I gotta hand it to you. This thing is, it's pretty awesome.
It's a fun tool.
It is.
Yeah.
You know what though? I gotta tell you, I could use one of these. I could use one of these compactors. So I'm gonna have to take a good look at it. Are you running it or am I?
Cool, man. You want to run it? Take it.
Same thing as before?
Same thing with one difference. We're the only plate compactor in the market with reverse now.
I wouldn't have even considered running a 1/2-inch cordless drill because it wasn't powerful enough.
Yeah.
To see how far we've come with batteries, look where we're running now.
Yeah.
It is really, really impressive.
That's the capability of our MX system, and especially with our new red lithium ion forged batteries. So on our 20s plate compactor with an HD12O, you get 35 continuous minutes of runtime, but because of our travel speed, that's over 5,000 square feet, over a basketball court on one battery. On the rammer, you have over 25 minutes of runtime, which translates to over a quarter mile of continuous linear feet of compaction. Cool feature about this too, simple folding handlebar. You can drop it down, hook it, strap it, carry it across the job site. It'll fit under most tonneau covers.
That's
when
awesome.
You're not using it, you can slide it under a shelf for storage. There's no gas headaches. We've removed the engine. No choking, no priming, no pulling. But more importantly, there's a ton of compaction that happens indoors.
Yeah.
So no gas headaches, no breathing in those fumes.
This is important stuff to me. I think it would be important to them too. So
Yeah.
I never want to gloss over that stuff. It's that attention to detail that makes the difference between Milwaukee and maybe other brands.
Beyond compaction, beyond site prep, everything we do at Milwaukee is focused on delivering productivity and improved safety on the job site. That's always core, but we're going to go into a new product, a new tool, a new piece of equipment. We're constantly thinking, how can we improve productivity and the safety standards around this type of equipment?
That's awesome. That's awesome. I think the tradespeople appreciate that.
So the plate compactor is available today. The full kit with 2 HD12O batteries and a supercharger retails for $54.99.
Okay.
The rammer is going to be available later this summer. Same kit configuration with 2 HD12O batteries and a supercharger. It's going to retail for $64.99. Where we may have been a little challenged compared to gas on runtime, because we have had that longer runtime, that faster recharge cycle, now we're expanding our ability to be more a replacement, not just a supplemental solution, which when we originally launched this program with the XC6.0 batteries and the CP, in a lot of cases we were more just
I know what you mean.
Yeah, more supplemental, more replacement for those indoor solutions.
Yeah, like the edge scenarios where you couldn't use gas.
Yep, exactly.
It's not that way anymore. You've moved past that, it seems.
We're going to continue to push that dynamic.
We appreciate the time that you spent with us. It's really insightful, and it's really great to kind of get your insight on the direction of the product line in itself.
Yeah, I appreciate you stopping by. It's always a pleasure, man.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
If you
Good
appreciate that, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, it'll let Brandon know that you want to see more of him on the channel, and that means that we will have him in future videos.
Let's do it.
We need the likes button. Gotta hit it. All right, everybody. We're gonna go over to a high cycle vibrator. We'll see you on the next one.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, man.
I appreciate it.